Hey, Connor and Zoey.
Hi.
Hi. Hey, Mommy and Daddy have a surprise for you guys. Do you guys want to see it?
Yeah.
All right. Well, hey, Mommy, bring on the surprise. Ooh, I wonder what it is. Kitty girl, can you rip it? Hey, just a shoebox. That's just a shoebox. Uh-oh. Something in there. Okay, rip it apart. See what you guys have.
We're going to see the fun time.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Connor's. Whoa, what is it, Connor? What is it?
Batman fidget spinner.
Batman fidget spinner. Whoa, more and more fidget spinners. Cutie, what do you get? A blue one. A yellow one. Whoa, Connor's getting something. Whoa! A green one. Blue. Wow. Oh, you got a blue Batman one. You got a blue Batman one. You got a yellow Batman one? Whoa. Yeah, whoa, you're able to do it. Sweet. Whoa! Fidget spinner spinning on the ground.
Could you give me some?
Yeah. Nice. You guys got a bunch now, huh? Okay, keep on spinning. Spinning, spinning, spinning. Your hands are a little bit too small, baby. Whoa, that's a shiny one. It's a lidded one. Whoa. Whoa. Connor, you want to spin one of the blue that's lighting one right here? See that? Spin that one. Let Daddy see how cool it looks when it spins.
Could you give me the big one? Could you get us the big one?
Yeah, it's just a little bit too big for your hands. You're still a little cutie girl, that's why. You can spin it on the floor though.
I just did.
Wow, you did it, see? You did it, see? Good job.
Let's count how many we have.
Okay, start.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
7, 8, 9, 10. Good job, guys. Hey, what colors do we have though? Let's see, we have a yellow one.
Batman yellow, a black
one,
a yellow one,
a blue one, right?
yeah, a red one,
Red one,
and a white one.
white one. What color is that, cutie? What color is this one here?
Blue.
Blue. How about the one in your hand?
Pink.
Pink. How about this one right here?
Green.
Green. How about this one?
Blue.
Blue. Good job. Whoa. Keep on going. See if you can spin all yours, Connor. She's doing. See, she's doing it. She's got 4 going. She's got her 5th one going. Whoa. Spinning really fast. Get your going, Connor. Whoa, she's not letting her stop at all. Good job, Goku. Good job, cutie. Whoa, Connor's got his going. Yeah.
Stop it.
Ooh, nice. There you go. The one on the bottom doesn't spin, but the one on top does. That's still pretty cool, though. That's kind of cool. Yeah. Good job. Nice. Whoa. Wow, one in the hand and one in the head. Look at that boy go. Oh, silly boy. Wow, cutie, look at that. Both on your knees. Whoa. Connor, want to try too? All right. Good job. Yeah, sweet, man. Sweet. Whoa, kitty girl's got hers going. Whoa, look at what you guys got. My Little Pony and a couple Thomas Minis on there. Yeah.
You can stand up.
Can't stand up? Yeah, only some of these can. Wow, My Little Pony and 2 Thomas Minis are spinning. Whoa, 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 whoa! You hoppity hoppity. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, look at Lightning McQueen. Whoa, whoa, it fell down.
I did the basketball.
You're trying to put it on the basketball?
Yeah.
Spin it on the basketball? Whoa.
I do it. Hey, that's my black one. This is mine.
Cutie, you want to spin it on the basketball too? Let's see. Whoa! Can't let the ball roll. You let the ball roll, then it's going. Whoa, yeah. There you go. On the nose, Connor. On the nose.
Daddy, what? That was this.
Ah. Whoa, Connor's chin. Whoa, it's spinning on Connor's chin.
I like to do that one.
Try it on your chin. Whoa, hit your teeth. It hit your teeth. Hey, what are you doing, cutie? You running on the basketball? Whoa, you be careful, you run over fidgets. Let's see how close we can get it to Connor's nose. Oh boy! Oh, cutie's gonna spin it on his nose. Yeah, there you go, baby. There you go, cutie. Yeah, good job. You got it going. Sweet girl. Good job. Uh-oh, cutie's gonna do her own nose. She's gonna try it. Good job, cutie. Whoa! Yeah, it's kind of tough to do.
Yes.
Doing your tummy?
Yes.
No! Whoa! Look at spin, 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 spin. Oh, cutie's got 3 going. Yeah, Connor. Whoa. Cool, cutie. Both knees and on the head, huh? Connor had a photo bomb or film bomb, video bomb cutie's shot there. Whoa. You're pretty good, cutie. Connor, what are you doing? Ah! Crash into all the spinners. Ah! Uh-oh! Cutie's coming. Crash! Hey! Hey! What are you guys running over the spinners for? Ah! Cutie girl! Uh-oh, here comes Connor again. Ah, cutie for a second round. You're naughty. You just want to run over the fidgets. Whoa, what a turn. What a good U-turn. A tight U-turn. Wow! Accidents will happen.
Like and subscribe. Bye.
Bye.